Uber Eats promo, how to use Uber Eats code. So if you have received a promo code on Uber Eats and then you'd like to apply that and redeem that promo code so that you can use it as a discount on your next order. For this, it's very simple. Open the Uber Eats app and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then after you've done that, you want to simply tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. After you tap on the account icon from the bottom right, over here you'll find an option that says promotions. Tap on promotions, and at the very top you can see your available promotions. Now you can choose one of these, but you can simply select enter promo code if you have got a promo code, enter the code manually and tap on the claim promo code button. Once done, the promo code will be claimed if it is not already applied before, and then you'll be able to use that for discounts next time onwards. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use promo. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.